Hey there, Antonio from Paired Recruiting. Let me ask you, how much time do you spend trying to figure out your marketing strategy? If you're like most business owners or managers, the answer is probably too much. Marketing is essential, but finding the right talent to do it, well, that's where things can really get tricky. Today, I want to introduce you to MarketerHire, a platform that promises to simplify the process of finding skilled marketing professionals. If you've ever wished you could bring in an expert to handle your social media, ad campaigns, or email marketing, this platform might be worth considering. But like any tool, it's important to know if it's a right fit for your business. In this video, we'll explore how MarketerHire works, its advantages and challenges, and whether it's worth the cost. And of course, I'll share how Paired Recruiting can offer a more personalized approach if you're looking for something long-term. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of your options and how to take the next step. Let's get started. MarketerHire is a platform that connects businesses with freelance marketing experts. It's like having a talent agency at your fingertips, but with less hassle and faster results. The platform is built to help companies quickly find marketers for specific needs. Whether it's managing ad campaigns, improving SEO, or creating a killer email marketing strategy, here's how it works. You start by filling out a short form about your project. The form asks what type of marketing support you need, your goals, and your timeline. Once you submit it, MarketerHire's team uses this information to match you with a qualified marketer. The best part, they promise to make this match in just 48 hours, which is ideal if you're on a tight schedule. Once you're matched with a freelancer, you'll have a chance to review their profile and experience. If they seem like the right fit, you can start working with them almost immediately. It's fast, simple, and designed to take the stress out of hiring. But while this streamlined process sounds great, it's not without its challenges. MarketerHire has some clear advantages, especially for businesses that need marketing help right away. First, let's talk about speed. One of the platform's standout features is its promise to match you with a qualified marketer within 48 hours. This can save you weeks or even months compared to traditional hiring processes. If you're in the middle of a campaign and need someone to jump in fast, this is a huge benefit. Another advantage is the quality of the talent. MarketerHire vets all its freelancers, ensuring you're working with experienced professionals who know what they're doing. Many of their marketers have worked with big brands or have years of experience in the niche, so you're not taking a gamble on quality. The platform also offers flexibility, which is perfect if you're not ready to hire someone full-time. Whether you need someone for a one-time project, part-time support, or ongoing help, MarketerHire can accommodate your needs. They also cover a wide range of specialties, from social media management to paid advertising, so no matter what your project involves, there's likely an expert available. Finally, there are no upfront costs. You don't pay anything to post your request or get matched. You only pay once you hire a marketer and agree on their rates. While MarketerHire has a lot to offer, it's not perfect. One of the most common concerns is the cost. The marketers on this platform are highly experienced, which means their rates are on the higher end. Freelancers on MarketerHire typically charge between $80 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise and the scope of the project. While this might be manageable for larger businesses, smaller companies or startups with tighter budgets might find it challenging. Another potential downside is the lack of control over the matching process. Unlike platforms like Upwork, where you can browse profiles and choose your freelancer, MarketerHire does the matching for you. While this can save time, it also means you're relying on their team to understand your needs and find the right fit. If the first match doesn't work out, you'll need to request another one, which can slow things down. MarketerHire is also more focused on short-term projects. While you can hire freelancers for ongoing work, the platform is better suited for businesses that need help with specific tasks rather than long-term strategic planning. If you're looking for someone to be part of your team for the long haul, you might be better off exploring other options. Lastly, while the platform vets its freelancers, there's always a chance that the match might not fully understand your industry or audience. This is where clear communication becomes essential. If MarketerHire doesn't seem like the perfect fit for your business, don't worry, there are alternatives. At Paired Recruiting, we take a more personalized approach to finding marketing talent. Instead of relying on algorithms or a quick match, we focus on understanding your business, your goals, and the kind of marketer who would fit seamlessly into your team. Here's how we're different. First, we offer a customized process. We don't just hand you a single candidate and call it a day. Instead, we provide a short list of highly qualified professionals who are handpicked based on your specific needs. This means you get more control and confidence in the hiring process. Another big advantage, we work with both freelancers and full-time candidates. If you need someone to manage a project for a few weeks, we can help. But if you're looking for a marketer to join your team for the long haul, we're here for that too. And here's something unique. We offer a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If the hire doesn't work out within the first 3 months, we'll find you a replacement at no extra cost. That's how confident we are in our process and the talent we recommend. So whether you're tackling a specific project or looking for a long-term partner, Paired Recruiting has you covered. No matter which platform or service you choose, hiring the right marketing talent comes down to a few key strategies. Here are some tips to help you get it right. First, be clear about your goals and expectations. What are you hoping to achieve with this hire? Whether it's increasing web traffic, generating leads, or boosting social media engagement, having clear goals will make it easier to find someone with the right skills. Second, ask for case studies or examples of past work. A strong portfolio can give you insight into the marketer's style, creativity, and ability to deliver results. If they've worked on projects similar to yours, that's even better. Third, prioritize communication skills. Marketing is all about collaboration, so you want someone who's responsive, proactive, and easy to work with. During the interview process, pay attention to how they explain their ideas and ask questions. Fourth, don't be afraid to start small. If you're unsure about a candidate, begin with a smaller project to test their skills and working style. This can help you avoid bigger risks down the line. Finally, look for someone who understands your industry or audience. A marketer with relevant experience will be able to hit the ground running and deliver results faster. By following these tips and partnering with the right hiring platform, you'll set yourself up for marketing success. And that's it, an honest look at MarketerHire and how to find the right marketing talent for your business. Platforms like MarketerHire are great for fast, flexible solutions, especially if you need short-term help with specific campaigns. But if you're looking for a more personalized approach or someone to grow with your business, Paired Recruiting might be the better option. We specialize in connecting businesses like yours with marketing professionals who are not only talented, but are also aligned with your long-term goals. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website or click the link in the description for a free consultation. We'll help you find the perfect marketer, whether it's for a one-time project or a permanent role. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Got any questions about MarketerHire or hiring marketing talent in general? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.